Hello, and welcome back, everyone, to the Frugal Glam fam. Y'all, anytime I do my foundation, we all know that I flip it into an eye look. So let's get into this sexy, smoky eye. Only to go to the grocery store. Yeah, just to go coupon it back. Y'all know how I do by now. So the Royals palette, which mimics the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette from Shop Hush. I really dig these palettes, you all. I seen some reviews on it, and some people did not care for it. But I think it depends on how you do your makeup. A light hand is best, and I've already did my foundation. As you can see, I have no fallout. So the Makeup Revolution concealers that I previewed on the video prior to this, I'm using that to cut my crease with a Sigma E15 definer brush. Now, I always take my time when it comes down to doing my cut crease, whether it's a full cut crease or whether it's a semi-cut crease. You just want to take your time with that part. And this is the NYX gel liner that I'm going over that cut crease with, because this will serve as a base for my smoky eye. Now, you all know that you could have definitely wet a brush and go over with a shimmer color, and that black base always get those shimmers to pop. And just going out and smudging that out to give you that quote unquote that smoky effect, and let that liner dry. And then we're going to go over with that's a dark black mixed with a smoky gray black, because I didn't want it too black. It's already going to look like that anyway. And that Morphe palette, I don't know what edition, what number, what year, what time, who house it is, da. All I know is I got it off of Hot Look for $15 when they have their Makeup Monday sale. So you all keep in mind, Hot Look always have Makeup Monday. And when I'm in the grocery store, I'll sometimes coupon for a Nordstrom's gift card, because they are ran by the same people. Okay, so moving on with the eyes, I lost a little bit of my warmth, the crease, the color. Yeah, that right there. So I'm just putting that back with the Juvia's Place blending brush, which I finally got my hand on a set of those. They were on sale forever, and they finally got restocked, and I really do like those. And if you're a fan of this channel, you know warm berries and golds and my warm colors I like for my crease. And I'm taking that same berry color going underneath my waterline, the bottom lash line, because I don't have bottom lashes. And as you can see, I already did my wing off camera, and that wing is sharp, baby. I took my time with that one today, and I got my Salon Perfect lashes on, the best drugstore lashes you're going to find. So the City Color Contour Effects palette, this is the Contour 1. I got that from 5 and Below, and that brown mixed with that bronzy shade gave me the perfect contour shade. I like it better than the Black Radiance, because the Black Radiance is a little too warm on me. And this palette right here, I want to say I had this for a year or maybe more. I don't know if that's even healthy, but anywho, I take one for the team. But those blushes came from Coastal Scents, and just to add a little hint for something, because I am a blush girl. So being that I went all out with a faux contour today, some of it got lost, so you just go back and define that jawline, which I have huge cheeks, so that's not a hard thing to do. And just buffing it out and blending it out. And here we go with the Rose Gold Molten Gold highlighter for spring and summer by Maybelline. I haven't heard too much people talk about the Rose Gold one, but I figured I'll give it a try. Now, it gives you a nice highlight, but it doesn't give you that oomph in your face like the regular gold one. But I must say I like it, and we all know you can build that up. And when it comes on to highlight, you all know my theory. You can go mild, moderate, severe, and I am a severe highlighter. I like to blind people. And the Hair and Makeup Addiction loose highlighters I have in Orgasmic, and then that pinky color. I forgot the name of that one, but I couldn't decide, so I took them two and mixed them together and get into that slow-mo. Yes, I'll blind you. Even through the camera, it'll be blinded. That's just what I like. So taking it on the bridge of my nose and the normal areas where I want light to pick up. And there we go. So this black opal pencil, it says black cherry, but it looks more burgundy to me. Because what I want to do with my lips, I didn't want to go straight in with the direct color. And you'll see that in a minute. So I went underneath with that Milani matte matte glam, I believe it was called, and I could not find my jumbo pencil by NYX in black bean to do this with. So oh well, I went in with my liner, and you know what, it actually worked. Thank you for watching. Always Team Diva.